Okay. More burning. And we're just on the inside. Yeah, look at her. Hi. Yep. Damn, how many are there? How many? I think that's so cutesy. Oh. I like when they go underneath and they look inside my window. Yeah. I don't know why I'm getting that song in my head. Sorry, I'm here for someone else. It's good to see your face. And there's one. Ooh. Sorry, I'm here for someone else. There's 7 birds. 1, 2, 3. Like 7 or 8 birds there. Oh no, way more than that. Whoa, broski. But there's 4 right over there. Look at the 4 birds right there in a row. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, amazing. That was like 16 birds or some shit like that. Yeah, bro. Oh my god. 16 is a karmic number.